Hello everybody, this is Augustin from Spotahome Paris, and today I'm showing you this really nice studio, a shared studio located in Puteaux. So it's really next to La Défense, and the train is right next to the street, so it's perfect, and you will see it now. So this is the main door, which directly leads to the bedroom. So it's a 2-bed. You have a nice little desk, a mirror, what can be a shelf for you, a window with an amazing view, and the room is really good for the light, so it's perfect. You have here your wardrobe and some storage to put your stuff. Then you have the bathroom, the toilet with a window, and here you have the shower. It's a really cool shower, a sink, mirror that can also be some storage. And you have the kitchen with a table to eat, some storage, the fridge, washing machine, microwave, dishwasher, the oven, the sink, more storage, and the beautiful view with the Eiffel Tower. It's amazing. So I really hope you enjoy it. It was Augustin for Spotahome Paris. See you next time.